guys, welcome to the green segment of my Rainbow Pride series. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I'm ready for green. I painted my nails today and I really like this color. I forgot how much I like it. And it smells, it's like scented. It smells like lime and basil, which is weird but nice. It's super old as well, so it's not as strong as it used to be, I don't think. But anyway, let's get started. You can probably tell I have already done my base again, and I know I said last time that I should stop doing that, but I forgot until I'd already done it. So we're going with this now. This is my base. I think it looks good. So let's just hope there's not much fallout this time. We'll see how we go. So getting started, I'm just gonna chuck on my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden on my eyelids. So for today, I'm going to be using my BYOP ColourPop palette. I'm going to start with this warm brown here, and I'll put the colours that I used in the description. And this is going to be my crease colour. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush into this warm brown colour. This is the ES07 from Juno & Co. Just blend that in. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around... Next I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush. This is just, doesn't have a name on it, from Decay. And I'm just going to go into the green here and pop this in my crease, just on top of the other shade, but just in my crease. And blending it a little bit down into my outer corner. It wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. So, I lost about 7 minutes of footage, so I'll just quickly explain to you what I did. The last thing you saw was me blending the dark matte green shade just around my outer corners. After that, I then went into this dark brown shade and just popped it directly in my outer corners, and then with my finger and a flat shader brush, I put this shimmery green shade over my eyelid. And for my lower lash line, I've just gone in with a thin brush on this part with the matte green shade, and on this part I've gone in with another thin brush just with the shimmery green shade. And that is where we're up to. So now I'm going to reblend it all in so it looks a bit better. I'm just going to go back in to the brown shade and just pop this in the same spot as last time, which you missed now because my footage is gone. So just right here, just mainly in the outer corners, blending it slightly up just to deepen it. I don't want it to be too brown or anything, I just want it to look a bit darker. Okay, and now I'm going to go in to the matte green shade again and just do the same thing, like reblend it out just above, through the crease and in the outer corner. And I'm gonna go back into my crease shade and just blend around here, just making sure it seems quite smooth. And next I'm gonna go in with just a little flat shader sort of brush into this shade and just run it along my brow bone and my inner corners. And with a super thin, super small brush, I'm just going to go into this brown shade, the dark brown shade, and just kind of stamp it just along the lash line. Just as a sort of like liner look. I couldn't find you, so I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. And just a little bit along the lower lash line as well, right in the outer corners. So that's all done now. I was thinking of adding a glitter, but I think I like the way it looks like this. So what I've done with the brown, with that thin brush, is I've stamped it right in the outer corners here on each side, just on the lower lash line, just right in the corner. And I've done a liner effect just along the top towards the outer part, and then I've just gone up at the end there just to give it like a sort of flick at the end. So I don't have any green eyeliner, unfortunately. I think I'm gonna go in with brown. This could be a mistake, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go with brown, considering I use brown eyeshadow to get my wing look. Damn it. It's okay, I can go over that with glitter. But to say as well, I was just using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Double Life for that. Now that's done, I'm just gonna quickly go over where I drew on my eyelid with the green glitter and this flat shader brush just over here. I'm just gonna add some more to the other side as well because I don't want it to not be sparkly. And reblend. There we go. So that is that done. I'm just gonna chuck on some mascara off screen and I'll be back to do lips. There we have it, I'm back. I just used my E.L.F Mineral Infused Mascara, which I am absolutely in love with. I don't know, it just gives me such like a nice natural looking lash. I know sometimes like with looks like this I probably should use like falsies or like a super volumizing mascara, but I don't know, I'm not very good with falsies and I really like this mascara, so I'm just gonna keep using it for now. And I just used my Flower Beauty Seal the Deal setting spray, which I absolutely love. That's my favorite setting spray at the moment. I don't really have that many, but that is my favorite of the ones I do have. It just feels really nice on the skin, it dries really quickly, and it makes my skin look really beautiful, I feel. For lips, I'm going to go in with a nude, obviously, because this eye look is pretty green. So I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade Sandy. Super beige. Super nude. On top of that, I'm just going to chuck my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Moonchild, just to give it a bit of a gloss. There we have it. So that's like a super nude lip. It's like way nuder than when I usually use the BFF one. I feel like it's a lot more beige, a lot lighter. I didn't realize how light that was, but I feel like it still looks good. So this completes the look for today. I hope you like it. If you have any questions about anything that I did during the parts of the video that were missing or during the parts of the video that we hear, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I will see you soon. And for my of my eyelid, right, I've just stamped it right in there just to give it a sort of flick. Just to give it a sort of flick. Oh my god, how many dollars are there? Considering I used brown winged eyeliner or brown. Yum. ColourPop Ultra Glossy. If you have any questions, any questions about any of the products I used or anything that I did,